Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to uninstall, how to disable, how to remove themes on your Google Chrome browser. So as you can see guys, I have installed and set one theme. Just now I want to remove it from my browser. To do this guys, just you need to open the new tab page on your Google Chrome browser like this. After opening, in the bottom right side corner of your screen you can get one pencil icon. Just click and open it. Okay, from here in the left panel you can get the option color and theme. Just click and open it, and here you can get the option uninstall. So if you have installed any theme on your browser, here you can get the uninstall option. Just click on it. Now it will uninstall the themes from your Google Chrome browser. So this is the easy and only method to remove or uninstall the themes from your Google Chrome browser on your Windows PC, Windows 10, Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.